Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato tofu. First, select extra firm tofu for the best texture. You'll need to press it thoroughly to remove excess water, which is a crucial step for absorbing flavors. Next, we'll prepare a vibrant tomato sauce using fresh ingredients. Finally, we'll combine everything to create a hearty and flavorful dish that's perfect for any meal. This guide will help you achieve a fantastic result with minimal effort. To begin, take one block of extra firm tofu and press it for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour to remove as much water as possible. This step is essential for a firm texture. Once pressed, cut the tofu into uniform 1-inch cubes or triangles. Next, gently toss the tofu pieces with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This helps create a lovely crispy exterior. Then, pan-fry the tofu in about 2 tablespoons of your preferred oil until all sides are beautifully golden brown and slightly crisp. Now, let's create our flavorful tomato sauce. In the same pan, or a separate one, sauté 1 medium diced onion until it's softened, then add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Stir in 1/4 cup of vegetable broth and 1 teaspoon of dried basil for aromatic depth. Let the sauce simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to fully meld together. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your crispy, pan-fried tofu directly into the simmering tomato sauce. Gently stir the mixture, ensuring that every piece of tofu is thoroughly coated with the rich, savory sauce. Allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes, just long enough for the tofu to absorb some of those delicious flavors and heat through completely. Serve this delightful tomato tofu hot, perhaps over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite pasta, and garnish with fresh herbs for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.